Hello everybody, Mike from Insight DBT here, and today we're going to be reviewing the TIPP skill from our distress tolerance handouts in the Linahanian DBT skills book. You can find this skill page on 329 to 330, and we're going to be showcasing it today. I've also attached the handout to the video, cutting to it around now. All right, so how do you use TIPP? Well, whenever you're feeling extremely distressing emotions, which could be, emotions that are very hard to control, very high and tough emotions to deal with, or even very strong urges to do things that will not be helpful to your mental health or your progress in therapy or overall well-being, you want to get yourself to a bathroom, which I'm in my bathroom right now. What you want to do is you want to turn on the cold water and let it run for a little bit. We want to get that a little chilly. And so what we're going to do is, I like to do this for about a minute and minute to two. We're going to get some cold water in our hands, take a nice deep breath in through our nose, close our eyes, and start splashing. Be sure really to splash around the eyes, kind of like in that goggle zone. You can always take a second to take another deep breath in. Don't really hold your breath to suffocation. It doesn't have to be that extreme. Keep going. And by the time you're done, you might feel yourself starting to come down from that stress you were in before. And part of this is a bit of a biohack. This engages what we call the diver's response, which induces relaxation. And also you've taken some time away from your stressor or urge, which could very well have allowed it to pass. Just clean up the bathroom afterwards, wipe your face off, and you're good to go. A quick side note, this tip is very, very helpful, really anywhere. And it can be done anywhere you really have access to cold water. This is a bit of a covert coping skill because, a lot of times people need to wash their eyes out because their eyes are irritated or whatnot. And, if you are out and about and you are getting overwhelmed, you can feel comfortable doing this in a regular bathroom or a public bathroom or a kitchen because, it just looks like you're washing out your eyes. So, it's helpful really anywhere. Thank you for watching, and I hope you got something out of this. You can leave any questions in the comments below, and pending their approval, you will get a reply. Thank you for watching.